Cap said you're looking for me, Chief?
Yeah. Come on in.
If I need to shut the door.
Oh, no. It's nothing like that. My lovely wife thought it'd be a good idea to outbid the Hildebrands at terms of school auction.
Uh-oh. What'd you win?
Dinner for 4 at the Palm next Friday.
Oh, swanky.
Tell me about it. Anyway, Donna says I have to invite someone besides Mouch and Herman to come join us. So, grab yourself a +1. Join us for dinner.
Sounds like I need to find a date.
Sounds like you do.
All right, Chief. See what I can do.
Thank you.
Yeah.